Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be reviewing Hawkeye Depthtrax depth finder. This is just a regular gauge looking depth finder for guys that don't use them for fish finders, or if you want to have something separate so you can just have the numbers just for a quick glance. This is a budget one, I want to say. I don't want to say it's cheap, at least not yet. We're going to unbox it, check it out, see what comes with it, and then the next video is going to be installation. So let's get this bad boy opened up and see what we got. Alright, looks like we've got the in-dash gauge itself, which we're going to drill a hole in the dash dead center and mount that in a good visible spot for when he's driving. He can see it. Looks like we got a cover. Oh, we can change colors. That's pretty good. So guys that want the white face, looks like we can unsnap it and put the white face on it, or we can have the black face and then a cover for when the boat's not being used. Then you've got your transducer mounting, typical transducer. I believe this one says that you can glue this into the hull, or we can mount it on the transom. This one we're going to mount on the transom. I've never been a huge fan of epoxying them to the hull. If there's any voids in the fiberglass, anything like that, you'll get you know, crazy readings. That's what I've found. But that's just me. Other guys have good luck with them. I'm sure there's transducers out there that'll be able to discriminate from voids in the hull and such for depth finders. And we get Freedom Club benefits. No clue what that is. We'll check that out. And then just mounting templates, product registration, display, installation, operating instructions. Seems halfway decent, mostly plastic. Like I said, it's a affordable option. It's not the best one. I know Farrier's got a pretty nice one out there that's a little more money. It's probably twice the money. I think this one was $120 was retail, I believe. I'm sure you can find them cheaper. But I think West Marine was $120 or $129. So cool. We've got it on and done, and we'll go get the boat all ready and see if we can get this thing mounted. And then we'll do a video of testing it out when we launch the boat. Thanks for watching.